Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2003. Assume the following C variable declaration. This is the statement they have given. Of the following expressions, like 1, 2, 3, 4, which will not give compile time errors, meaning that they have given one statement, meaning that they are going to declare array declaration. One in the form of int star a of 10. Okay, guys, in the previous videos, I have given clearly the meaning of this one, right? So, how can you call this one? A is an array of 10 values. A is an array of 10 values. Each value is a pointer. Each value is a pointer, meaning that it can be pointed to another thing, meaning that it's an address. 100 is an address, 200 is an address, 300 is an address, and so on, meaning that here it can have some data like Jaya, Krishna. So A is an array of 10 pointers. That is the meaning of first statement. And coming to the second one, it's a two-dimensional array. Guys, this is also two-dimensional array. Int star A of 10 is also two-dimensional. So if you take B of 10 by 10, meaning that it is having 10 rows and 10 columns. Okay, n number of rows are there and n number of columns are. That is the meaning of this one. So in each row, in each particular cell, I can able to place any integer data. Okay, here they are asking like which will not give compile time error if you are going to use these expressions as the left side, right? So which you might already thoroughly know the fourth statement, right? So b of 2 by 3 equal to some value I can able to place like 5. Am I right? So it is a two-dimensional array which you know the clearly syntax, meaning that I am going to place the second row, meaning that second row means 0 1 2 row, and third index 0 1 2 3 index portion I can able to place the value 5. So by using the b of 2 by 3 at the left hand side, there is no error for us, right? So option 4 is available in all the things, so you cannot evaluate anything. Okay, fine. So let us go with the a of 2, this one, first option, right? Guys, this is a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, and so on, and so on, right? So can I able to do like that? Yes. If I am want to access this particular, so I can able to modify this pointer. Can able to modify this pointer. A of 2 equal to, I can able to modify some 500, meaning that some address of some x I can able to modify because it's a pointer. I can able to place any value. So there is no problem with a of 2. So option 1 and 4, which is having the possibility, you can able to just select that, right? Option 1 and 4 having the option as a. So a is the correct answer. Is the correct answer. Okay, guys, let us check the remaining options also. So no need to know these two answers actually, so to give this answer, but for our concept we have to know, right? So obviously a of 2 by 3 you can able to write, you can able to write some integer value because it can hold integer data, right? So a of 2 means I will go to this particular location, this particular location, and then the pointer which is pointed to the location, I will get that respective data, or I will place the respective data. So there is no problem with the second option also. But if you take b of 1, guys, you know, in the previous classes of this gate series, I have clearly mentioned this kind of structure, this kind of structure. And if you go through this one, this will be pointed like this will be pointed like this, and it contains a number of pointers and this like. So for example, if its address starts with 100, if it is having 5 elements, then it is 102, 104, 106 and 108, and this will be 110. That 110 will be assigned here, and here it will be 100. Guys, if you would like to change the b of 1, is it possible to change the b of 1? No. This b of 1 is 100, 110, 110, which was given by the compiler. It's a kind of continuous memory location. That address is already constant. That is always constant. So we cannot able to modify this address. So option 3 is wrong among the given expression. So this expression we can able to eliminate option B, and 2 and 4, not only 2 and 4, we can able to place A 1 also. So all these three are wrong answers. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.